Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be kind of a small haul. This is from the Christian County Discount Freight and Grocery Store. I've not been back there in a few months because they just weren't getting in anything new. They still really didn't have anything new. There was a handful of stuff. Mostly what I got quite a bit of non-food items that I found that were good deals, that were new, like clothes and stuff they got in. And then most of the food I grabbed was just junk food, like little snacks and candy bars and things that are okay. I'm not buying any more meat or anything in the fresh grocery area from the discount store because I've just been having not so good luck with it. It's either really bad freezer burnt and you don't see it through the package until you get home, or you get something that looks like it's okay and then you eat it and then you get sick from it. So me and the fresh grocery section are done there, but the boxed items like crackers and things, they're still okay to buy there, and the non-food items. So I'll start with all of the food. They had these little packages of Kinder Buenos. So you get 4 of the Kinder Bueno candy bars in there for $1.99. Those are my daughter's favorite, so I picked those up for her. Then they had Crunch bars, and these were $1.99 also, only you get 6 of them in here. So I picked those up for little sweet things to grab. They have some Halloween candy in here. So this bag was $3.99, and this has Reese's, Hershey's, Kit Kats. I guess it's an assortment of all of those. I mean, the candy's still good. It's not expired or anything, so that'll give us stuff to drop in the candy tray just to grab for something sweet. Then they had, this bag was $6.99 because it's bigger, and this is Reese's and Kit Kats also. They had the irregular prices on these. I believe originally this little bag was $10, and this one I think was $17, if I remember correctly. So we've got those things. Then this was a really good find. So these were only 99 cents a bag. These are sugar-free peanut M&Ms from Russell Stover. So the other day, my grandma is diabetic. She can't have the regular sweets, so we have to give her the sugar-free stuff. But I looked at these in the checkout lane at Menards, and they are $6.99 for this little bag. It's the same exact size, just a little snack bag of sugar-free M&Ms was $7, and I was like, there's no way. I found them today at the discount grocery store for 99 cents, so I picked her up 3 or 4 little bags of these so that she has something sweet. Then my daughter's favorite is the Kinder Eggs. They have the ones from the Avatar movie. 79 cents is what these were today. So 79 cents, they're normally like $1.79 depending on which store you get them at. So that was a good buy. They had these Rainbow Twizzlers, all different flavors in there for 99 cents, and they're still good and soft. That's a nice little snack. These little cinnamon candies. My daughter loves cinnamon candy. She loves getting those little cinnamon suckers from Hobby Lobby. So this big bag was only 99 cents. They had these little watermelon slices, like sour watermelon slices, for 49 cents a bag. And then the Black Forest gummy bears are our favorite in this house. They have the best flavor, and these are nice and soft and fresh. These were only 99 cents for a little snack bag. Grabbed those. They had a family-sized container of the Chewy Chips Ahoy for only $2.99. So I grabbed some of those for us. Then they had, these were really fun. They have red, white, and blue Hershey bars to make s'mores with. These were only $2.99, and I just looked at some regular Hershey bars at Hy-Vee the other day, and I think they were $5.88 a package, or they might have been more than that. So they had some red, white, and blue. These were $2.99. Picked up some of those because my daughter loves s'mores, and the weather is finally nice enough out now, and we have picked up enough sticks and branches that have come down in our yard from the storms that we can start making little fires. at night and do s'mores and weenie roasts and things. So I grabbed a package of those red, white, and blue, and then they had the regular Hershey bars. Same price, $2.99. So on this regular chocolate, you get 4 full-sized bars, but on these red, white, and blue, you get 6 full-sized bars in there. So I got those, and then they had, to go along with the theme of s'mores, these big bags of Jet Puff marshmallows, the big ones. They're still nice and soft. It's a 24-ounce bag. This was only $1.99. So I grabbed that, and then they had the graham crackers, the Honey Maid brand, so the name brand. These were $1.99 per box, and I had to go to Walmart after I left that store to grab cat food, and these were right up in the front of the store for $6 a box. So definitely saved quite a bit of money on those. Then also Honey Maid brand, they had the graham cracker crumbs. This was only 99 cents a box. So I picked up some more of those because I use them to make crusts for cheesecakes and pies and stuff. Then Cheez-It crackers, they had them there, the reduced fat kind. They were only 99 cents a box. And Hy-Vee just had some block cheese on sale that I picked up, so I grabbed some more of those crackers. They had Pop-Tarts for 99 cents for something quick for my daughter just to throw in the toaster in the morning if she wants breakfast. Then she picked up a family-size box of Frosted Flakes because this is one of her favorite cereals. This was only $2.99 for this big giant box. Then the last thing food-wise that I got from the discount store was these caraway seeds. I had picked up a single bottle of these there before because I had a recipe that called for them, and I was going through my canning book the other day when I was using my pressure canner, and there are a few recipes in there that call for caraway seeds. So when I was in the discount store today, they have a 6-count of the caraway seeds for 60 cents, so 10 cents per bottle. I went ahead and picked one up, and that will keep me in caraway seeds for years and years probably. I'll probably expire before those do. Now, for the non-food items, I found this 6-pack, really it's a 7-pack, of Scoonchy brand hair ties. So they have the cloth over them. They're nice and soft. You get 4 solid colors and then this little patterned one. And then it comes with a little bonus mini scrunchie on there. This was only $2.99 for that set. Everyone in my house has long hair. Summertime's coming up. We're going to be out in the garden, out in the yard. My daughter's going to be in the swimming pool. So we're going to be using hair ties. So I picked up some extras. Then my daughter uses this Herbal Essences argan and avocado oil. They have not had it at the discount store the last several times I've been there. They finally had some back in for $2.99 per bottle. This is $6.97 usually in the regular stores. So I went ahead and picked her up a couple of those. They had fingernail polish remover. I was completely out finally. I don't even know when the last time was that I bought fingernail polish remover. It's not something that we go through very fast. But they had some for 99 cents. So I picked up 2 bottles to stock us up on that again. And then we found this to try. I just broke off both of my thumbnails when we were grocery shopping trying to pick up cat litter and stuff. So this is Sally Hansen Miracle Cure Strengthener for your fingernails. We'll give it a try. It was $2.99. Probably isn't going to work, but we'll see. Then my daughter found this really cute little backpack. Just a little clear, sparkly. It's got a little pom-pom on it. So this was only $2.99. It's got your little pocket and stuff up front. That'll be nice if we go on a road trip just to pack a few things in. I found this, which I thought was a really good deal. So this is like, I guess, probably hospital grade or like some kind of clinical setting wipes. So these are Clean Side wipes. It says cleans, disinfects, deodorizes. It is germicidal, tuberculocidal, fungicidal, and virucidal. and you get this big bucket of them, and it was only $1.99. So I figured I would go ahead and try these out just for cleaning stuff around the house. I'm in the middle of getting my spring cleaning and organizing done. Then they had for 99 cents an 80 count of Arm & Hammer Essentials disinfecting wipes. Only these ones are scented. So this is Renewing Rain Scent. I figured these ones would be like for the initial deep cleaning and probably for like cleaning the bathrooms and stuff whenever I give them a quick wipe down. And this would be like for general purpose cleaning since they smell good. But 99 cents for those. I didn't think that was a bad deal at all. Then they had their clothing. They had gotten in quite a few summer dresses. So we grabbed some of those. So this one I picked up for my grandmother. This was only $2.99. And these are by Bobby Brooks. So they were originally from Dollar General because they still have the Dollar General tag on them. But they were marked down. So $2.99 for just a little short-sleeved, stretchy summer dress. This one is for my daughter. This one was really cute. It came with a little necklace. So this one was $4.99. So another little just short sleeved. And then it came with just a little necklace. They have it attached to just a little loop in the back, but it doesn't, or I mean, it does come off. So it's not like sewn to the dress. So she can wear that little necklace with anything that she wants. Another little summer dress for my grandmother. This one was $4.99. And it's a little tank top dress. And it has like a little kind of Indian print. It's what it reminds me of is India. It's got the little elephants and the little tribal designs. Then this dress also was for my grandmother. This one was $5.99. It's a little tie-dye one, but this one has really cute sleeves on it with little bows. And then the bottom on this one is made sort of like a little handkerchief dress. So it's like split on the ends and it comes down to a point. And then the very last thing that I got was this little bathing suit. It's just a little tankini for my daughter so that she would have like an extra one because she swims pretty much from the time she wakes up until it's time to come in and go to bed at night. During the summertime, she is in the swimming pool. So I figured while her other bathing suit is being washed, this would be like a little fallback bathing suit. So it's just a little plain blue tankini. So that is the top, and then it's just got the little like bikini bottoms. So that was only $7.99. It had originally been $17, which really the $17 for an entire set wasn't bad to begin with, but discount store $7.99 is even better. So she'll have an extra bathing suit now to fall back on. That was everything for this haul. Like I said, it wasn't real big. They didn't have a whole lot of new stuff. I just got a little handful of things that I knew that we were either out of or like things that I knew we were going to be needing coming up. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing if you like the content here on the channel and you haven't already. And I will catch you guys in our next one.